my name is Jason Bolton and I'm the statewide food safety educator for the University of Maine Cooperative Extension. It's been known for a very long time that a diet with several servings of fruit and vegetables can have many health benefits. But with headlines in the news like 31 people die after eating E. coli contaminated sprouts, or 17 hospitalized after eating salmonella contaminated papaya, it doesn't exactly instill confidence. So whether you're shopping at your Maine farmers markets, grocery stores, or big box stores, if you follow these easy steps of washing your produce, you can reduce your risk of foodborne illness. One way to increase the safety of your produce is by washing your produce. According to the FDA, washing produce prior to peeling, cutting, or chopping, anything processing of your produce, will actually reduce the amount of bacteria that could be present on it, therefore decreasing your risk of foodborne illness. In today's video, we're going to talk about proper ways to wash fruits and vegetables. So let's start with the basics. First, you want to make sure you wash your hands with warm soapy water. In addition, you want to make sure you wash all utensils, equipment, and any contact surfaces with hot soapy water. You want to make sure you use clean, cold water to wash your produce. Make sure that water is drinkable. When you're actually purchasing your products, you want to make sure that they have intact skins, that are not bruised, and you never want to use detergents to wash your fruits and vegetables. They can leave residues on the fruits and vegetables which can be unsafe to consume. If you see a package of produce that's labeled pre-washed, triple washed, or ready to eat, make sure you do not rewash those. You can actually further contaminate those clean products. So for your fruits and vegetables that have a thick surface or a tough surface like potatoes, apples, and carrots, you want to make sure that you scrub the outside of that, removing any dirt. For your fruits and vegetables that have high surface area or are complex fruits and vegetables like broccoli, cauliflower, lettuce, spinach, things of that nature, you want to make sure you soak those fruits and vegetables for 1 to 2 minutes in cold water. Your last groups of fruits and vegetables that you want to look at are your delicate or fragile fruits and vegetables. These are the ones you want to wash with cold running water in a colander. Things like cherries, strawberries, blueberries. Also, when you're done washing your fruits and vegetables, you have the option to dry with a clean paper towel. This actually will remove more bacteria in addition to the washing process. A study done at the University of Maine Department of Food Science and Human Nutrition looked at chemical washes and rinses, like FIT, that you find at the supermarket. They compared FIT versus clean drinking cold water. It turned out that the clean drinking cold water and the FIT reduced the same amount of bacteria that was present on the surface of most fruits and vegetables. This study was done with blueberries. In addition, they found that they reduced the same amount of pesticide residues found on the surface of fruits and vegetables. When you're done processing your fruits and vegetables, this means peeling, washing, cutting, or any other processing that might take place, you want to make sure that there's no temperature abuse that takes place. This means after you're done processing, you want to refrigerate or bring the temperature of your produce down to 40 degrees or below. In addition, you want to make sure that you only purchase cut or peeled items, this is your produce we're talking about, that is at refrigeration temperature in the grocery stores.